Okay, here we are at the back of the Humanities building. Now let's go ahead and repeat the process of adding portals. Don't forget that you have to offer your viewer a way back from a picture they've jumped in. Now we've just come from here in the Humanities side, and you can see that portal there. And so when it goes, they will go to the back of the Humanities building. Well, we need to have a way back for them. So let's go ahead then and turn our picture. Just move it. And don't forget to add this one to go back. Okay, that looks fine. It's got everything we need. It's got the name. Let's save the portal. And there it goes. All right, now we have a couple of other places we could go here. So let's kind of go up to this one. We can go ahead and add right here. Okay, and then between A and B, okay, let's go ahead and just say between general education, A and B. Something a little bit more descriptive. There, it looks good. Okay. All right, so now we have a couple of portals here. That's fine. And you know what? I think we can add one more in here. We have one called, let's go back here, and you have the Humanities Courtyard. All right, here. And let's just go ahead and set that there. Okay, so as you can see, we've got quite a few different portals here. So that should be good for the viewer to get around from this spot. Also, though, what you could do now is, let's take a look at some of the other buttons.